So we got a Brother color laser printer. It's a HL3170CDW. We had a little belt blowout incident here. The cartridges all go in here, and doing the manual feed, it sometimes it's been starting to jam a little bit. You know, it's not been a big deal, but this time the paper didn't catch, it didn't take it in, and then it looks like it printed on the belt. So in all the videos they say don't touch this, but what are you gonna do? Gonna have to clean that off somehow. So I'm gonna try to clean it off, I guess. I don't know if it'll work, but we'll find out. And I'm gonna pause the video and get situated, and then I'll start it again. First weapon of choice is gonna be a little air. You know, a little air, right? Whoops. I got a mask on too, but I'll finish this up and I'll put it back in and see what the quality is. So I touched that thing too. I had those little yellow dots pieces on there. I picked those off with my hand and had to wipe some of the toner off because couldn't run the air compressor because it was pretty late here. So not saying this is the way to do it or anything to fix your belt drive on your HL3170 CDW color printer, but we're going to find out what happens when you clean it with the air compressor. Let me get something to print. I'm using a waterproof or weatherproof label, white. It's got a flat finish on it. Oh, let's see what happens. Come on, brother. For the price, these printers are pretty good. I mean, I run a lot of labels through them. It's my second one. The Dell up there, the cheap ass Dell one, those are a piece of junk. If you got a hot tub, you should use this stuff, 35% hydrogen peroxide for your spa. Get rid of the chlorine. It's awesome. Looks like it turned out okay. You know, a couple blems possibly, but yeah. Belt drive on the laser printer, brother. HL3170 CDW. Seems like it's okay. I'll update this video when everything goes good. You like it? This is the gloss clear that I had a little issue with the first time. It's the same sheet that it messed up. Yeah, looks good. Word. These two orange go to the fan.